the key thing is what happened with the world changing is over the last 10 to 15 years, but even more the industry, really even less so over the last 10 years, feature flags as a term, as a concept for building my applications, right? And not assuming that everyone knows exactly what a feature flag is, although it's a lot more ubiquitous now. It's a toggle, it's a switch, it's a feature flag. It's basically at its core an if statement around your code. If this feature flag is on, this code path gets executed. Otherwise, it's off. Sounds very simple, but the radical aspect of it is now I can actually ship code off and at a separate time turn it on. You have different ways to do it. So many, there are UIs, there are database implementations, config implementations, but that's the key idea that I can just ship the code and keep it off. Now, why would I do that? I need the code to be on. Well, there's so many things that you can test and validate while the code is off before any customers see that code. You can imagine how many times you think something is perfect in staging and then you put it in production and it explodes. You miss some config, you miss some issue. Feature flagging it off allows you to ship it out without it breaking. The other thing that feature flagging really allows you is trunk-based development, branch by abstraction. You can just commit your code and not wait for these long-lived branches that just carry risk because they're not being merged. So now, how does that change the DORA metrics? The idea then now in a feature flag world, it's not enough to think about how often you're deploying. The idea is how often are you releasing? Because you can deploy over and over and over again with the code off. So one thing that feature flags help you do is deploy more often. Yes, that's great. Because if you're feature flagged off, you can merge more often, you can merge to trunk and just ship the
Yep.
code. So your deployment frequency skyrockets, but you're not delivering anything to users yet. So with feature flags now, you might turn on different features at different times. So then how do you define deployment frequency now? Is it change frequency? Is it change enablement frequency? So it's something to think about there. If I ship one piece of code and then I flip a flag next week and I flip another flag the following week and I flip another flag the last week, did I have one deployment or did I have 5 deployments, right? Is it change frequency now? So that's one thing that comes to mind.
Yep.
The other thing that comes to mind is, well, I think lead time drastically goes down when I can feature flag everything off and merge it. But the other major impact is mean time to recover. For elite engineering teams, mean time to recover is primarily constrained by how quickly can I ship a fix. But in a feature flag world, it's how quickly can I flip a flag and turn it off. Your mean time to recover can go down to seconds in the best feature flagging platforms. So that's another massive impact on that DORA metric.